You are not a spark forgotten in the ashes of the night. Every soul was shaped like a lantern. Every heart can carry light. Though the winds of fear may gather and the world grow cold and loud, still a hidden song is calling through the silence of the clouds. Walk with wisdom, move with mercy, guard the flame inside. Even one small candle shining can become the morning tide. Rise in your time, rise like dawn across the sea. Lift your hands in service, let your spirit wander free. You were made to heal the broken, like the rain on desert stone. Rise in your time and let the light be known. Youth is not a passing shadow, not a door that leads nowhere. It is a garden waiting softly for the hands of those who care. Build your path with truth and patience. Learn to stand though storms may fall, but never trade the song of heaven for the empty noise of all. Be steadfast in the fire, be generous and true. The fragrance of a noble spirit will remain in all you do. Rise in your time, rise like moonlight after rain. Carry hope through shattered valleys, bring the weary heart again. You were made to guide the wandering, like the stars that lead the sea. Rise in your time, become what you were meant to be. The world is waiting for souls that bloom beyond their fear, for hearts like rivers, bringing distant shores more near. Not for power, not for glory, not for crowns that fade away, but to lift the fallen gently like the sun restores the day. Rise in your time, rise with faith beneath the sky. Every act of kindness lets another spirit fly. Let your life become a garden where the tired soul finds rest. Rise in your time and give the world your best. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Oh Lord, oh Lord, protect these hearts of fire, guide them through the dust and night. May they walk like rivers shining, carrying mercy, truth, and